To add and use text shortcut to quickly type your favorite phrase on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find general management. Tap general management and then tap Samsung keyboard setting. Tap text shortcut. As the example, we will add a text shortcut for an email address. So you don't need to type the email address completely whenever you need to type it. To do so, tap the plus icon to add a new text shortcut. Type the shortcut phrase. Next, enter the expanded or full phrase. And then tap add to add the shortcut. To use the text shortcut feature, open an app where you can type with your keyboard. As the example, while you are texting someone on WhatsApp. Now type the text shortcut. Here you can see that your phone will display the full phrase you have assigned to the text shortcut as a text suggestion above the keyboard. Tap the suggestion to replace the text shortcut with the full phrase, or if the auto replace feature of the language you used to type is on, you can type the spacebar to replace the text shortcut with the full phrase. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.